In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to create a privacy policy page for your website. Creating a privacy policy is an essential step to ensure transparency with your site's visitors about how their data is utilized. Let's dive in. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the dashboard. From here, click on Edit Site. This will take you to the editor where all the customization magic happens. Inside the editor, look towards the top navigation bar and locate the Pages option. Click on that and you'll see a list of all the pages currently on your website. To create a new page, find the plus Add Page button. Clicking this will allow you to add a fresh page to your site. From the options provided, select Blank Page. This will give you a clean slate to work with. Now it's time to name your new page. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a privacy policy page, so simply name it privacy policy. Next, you'll want to add some content to your new page. Head over to the toolbar and add text elements to create different headings or sections for your policy. This is where you'll paste the actual content of your privacy policy, ensuring that it's tailored to reflect your business practices. Format your document by using H2 or H3 for different sections to make it reader-friendly. Don't forget to include a last updated line at the top so visitors know the freshness of your policy. For better navigation, consider adding a table of contents at the top and link each item to its corresponding section. Once your page is set up, it's crucial to make it easily accessible to your site visitors. A great way to do this is by adding the privacy policy page to your site's footer. Go to the footer section and add either a text link or button that says privacy policy. Make sure to link it properly. Click link, then page, and select your new policy page. Optionally, you could also add it to your site's main menu under a suitable subcategory like legal. Another important step is linking your privacy policy from your cookie banner. On your dashboard, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Cookies, and adjust your settings to ensure the banner links to the correct page. Before going live, preview your site by clicking on the Preview button. This allows you to see exactly how your users will interact with the site. Once everything looks good, publish your site by clicking Publish. Test your links by clicking on them to ensure they navigate correctly to your privacy policy page. Finally, once satisfied, click Done. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a professional looking privacy policy page integrated seamlessly into your Wix website. Thanks for watching and happy editing.